Welcome to Easy A Homeschool Academy. Celebrations of light around the world. In today's video, we will explore a beautiful idea shared by many cultures, using light to bring people together. Around the world, families celebrate holidays that feature candles, lanterns, torches, and glowing decorations. These festivals honor hope, courage, remembrance, and the return of brighter days. This video highlights several traditions that use light in meaningful ways. Diwali, Festival of Lights. In India and in Indian communities worldwide, Diwali is known as the Festival of Lights. Families clean and decorate their homes with colorful rangoli designs. Small oil lamps called diyas are placed around the house to welcome prosperity and symbolize the victory of light over darkness. The celebration often includes sharing sweets, enjoying fireworks, gathering with family, and honoring traditions that are thousands of years old. The soft glow of lamps creates a warm and joyful atmosphere for everyone participating. Hanukkah, Jewish Festival of Lights. Hanukkah is an 8-day Jewish celebration that honors a historic event in which a small supply of oil lasted longer than expected. Families light a special candelabrum called a menorah or Hanukkah. One candle is lit each night until all 8 glow together. Traditional foods such as latkes and donuts are cooked in oil as a reminder of the story. Children often play a game with a spinning top called a dreidel, and families enjoy meaningful time together during the festival. Christmas, Light of Hope and Joy. In many Christian communities, Christmas includes lights as a symbol of hope and joy. Homes, trees, and streets shine with glowing decor. Families may light candles during church services, place lights on evergreen trees, or hang bright decorations outside their homes. These lights represent celebration and the warmth of community during the darkest time of the year. Many traditions focus on generosity, family gatherings, and the joy of giving. Kwanzaa, a celebration of African heritage. Kwanzaa is a cultural celebration that honors African heritage and takes place from December 26 to January 1st. A candle holder called the kinara holds 7 candles. Each candle represents a principle such as unity, creativity, and purpose. Families light 1 candle each day and discuss the meaning of the principle. Kwanzaa includes music, storytelling, traditional clothing, and shared meals. The glow of the candles highlights a sense of pride, community, and reflection. St. Lucia Day, a Swedish festival of lights. In Sweden and parts of Scandinavia, St. Lucia Day is celebrated on December 13. It honors a young woman known for bringing food and comfort during dark winter days. On this day, a girl dressed in white wears a crown of candles or battery lights and walks at the head of a procession. The group sings traditional songs and brings treats to families or communities. The celebration brings brightness to the winter season and symbolizes kindness and service. Lunar New Year lantern traditions. In most East Asian cultures, the Lunar New Year marks the beginning of a fresh year on the lunar calendar. Lanterns are used throughout the celebration as symbols of good fortune, happiness, and new beginnings. Bright red lanterns fill streets and homes. Families may gather for parades, lantern festivals, and nighttime celebrations. The light represents the idea of moving into the new year with hope and positive energy. Indigenous and First Nations fire traditions. Many indigenous cultures around the world use fire as a symbol of connection, remembrance, and spiritual renewal. In some communities, fire gatherings mark seasonal changes, honor ancestors, or guide storytelling. The flame represents continuity and unity. Families and communities often meet around a fire to share songs, teachings, and stories that strengthen identity and connection to the land. Across the globe, people use light to celebrate family, tradition, and hope. Each festival expresses the idea that even small lights can bring warmth to a community. As always, thank you for watching. Tell us what you want to see next. Email ezahomeschoolacademy@yahoo.com. Like and share our videos. Please subscribe to our channel.